Hello everyone. Are you wondering what Hagmaxxer means? Let's explore. Hagmaxxer is a term used to describe younger men who pursue relationships with older women, often seeking financial stability or support. This term plays on the idea that these men are maximizing their opportunities by choosing partners who are more established in life. Hagmaxxer reflects a social dynamic where the age difference is seen as advantageous for the younger individual, who may benefit from the older partner's resources or experience. It is a relatively new term, often used in online communities to discuss these types of relationships. In summary, Hagmaxxer highlights a relationship strategy where age and financial stability are key factors. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.